Hi, my name is Michael Tapes, and I'm here to show you CullerFast culling editing software. Please excuse the noise. We're having a new roof installed today. Here we are. This is a folder of 334 A7R4 images. So first let's show you some basic navigating. We'll go forward. Notice there's no delay as I step forward using the arrow key. If I hold the arrow key down, we will I have it set to 10 frames per second, and then it'll accelerate more than that, so we can cull very fast. Going backwards now. Notice there's no glitches, there's no pausing, there's no pixelation. Okay, so we're doing images, and as I've suggested, we can zoom into 100% instantly. This is fit, this is 100%. Okay, so we've optimized an instant raw technology to show you the 100% view instantly. Okay, optimized for speed and not for image quality, so it'll be noisier than you're used to because we're not applying noise reduction, but you'll see all the detail here. This is 100%, this is fit, A7R4. Let's zoom ahead to another image just at random. I'll stop someplace. Let's go back to the eagle. Notice no overshoot when I'm going fast. I can stop and it stops instantly. No overshoot, no lag. I can do what I want. There's the zoom. If we don't want to zoom that way, I can bring up the loop and show you the loop. There it is, set for 100%. I can do that from the thumbnails. I can do that from these thumbnails. So we have a very quick way to zoom in and check focus on images. Okay, and we can change this loop to be 100%, 200%, whatever we want. There's 200%. Okay, so we've got that. Now, let's, what happens if we want to cull very fast at 100%? Okay, so let's set this up to 100%, and now we'll go down to fit as I'm zooming, but watch when I stop, it'll instantly zoom in to 100%. That's instant raw. Okay, going along, instantly zoom in. Of course, the loop is always active. That's 200%. Now, if you think that's fast, I'm going to go back to the first image. And if you think this is ISO 3200, and if you think that was fast, watch this. If we want to really get through, this is normal, 10 frames per second. It accelerates as we hold it down. But if I hold down the Option key, we're zipping along at 50 to 100 frames per second. Go backwards. There's no restrictions in terms of what you can do. Again, there's no overshoot. Instant zoom. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the loop, show you another feature, as we say, and there's more. Focus points. Zoom. Turn off focus points. Turn on focus mask. Super fast. Again, no restrictions. This Mac that I'm on is from 2017, so 2 years old. Anyway, it doesn't depend on a fast processor. This will work on pretty much any modern machine, and the drive doesn't have to be fast either. Now, another thing we have is EXIF information. You'll notice that all the metadata shown in this panel here, but to be more convenient, we have another metadata display window where I have described in a text file what fields I want to be up here, and I've divided them with a line. So here I've specified I want these particular things, focus points, etc., to come up, and then we have the rest of the metadata here. So that's available instantly as well. Zoom. So I think you can see this is quite amazing. I'm going to switch over to a folder with 4,000 images. These are A9 images, but just to show you a folder of 4,000 images, and the A7R4 would be basically just as fast. Going to hit the Option key, going through 4,000 images, okay, at about 100 images every 2 seconds. You can see the counter right above the thumbs here, going down. Again, I stop. There's no overshoot. Go backwards. Let's see. Go in, zoom, loop, etc. CullerFast. Fast culling for Sony images.